11 major exams that a student can appear for after completing class 12 if a student wants to get into management after class 12. A student can get into BBA or BMS or finance or economics or liberal studies. Here are the list of exams. The first one is IPMAT Indore, which is conducted by IIM Indore. It offers an IPM program. The next in line is IPMAT Rohtak, which is offered by IIM Rohtak. It's again provide an IPM program. The next in line is JIPMAT, which is jointly conducted by IIM Jammu and IIM Bodh Gaya. Then we have NPAT exam, which is conducted by NMIMS, and there are various campuses of NMIMS across India with bouquet of courses. The next in line we have is SET, which is conducted by Symbiosis International University, and again Symbiosis is located at various locations with bouquet of courses. The next entrance exams that students should consider is Christ University entrance test. Again, it is located, Christ University is there at various locations in India, and it has more than 70 courses to offer. Then there are various regional exams. The next that we have is IPU CET, that is for Indraprasth University. For IPU, there are various exams, one for BBA, one for BCom, then we have for mass media, and the fourth one is for BCA. The next in line we have is MSU Baroda entrance test. Then we have the Jahin entrance test, that is JHCCEE. Then we have Xavier's entrance test. Xavier's Mumbai also conduct entrance test. These are the 11 exams that a student should appear for if a student wants to get into one of the program. Next, we have 4 more entrance tests for the students who are looking to get an admission into liberal study program. One conducted by Ashoka University. The next we have that is conducted by Kriya University. The next is conducted by Flame University, and a Symbiosis University also conduct its own exam called as SET, but it's different from the SET which is conducted for a BSc Economics and a BBA program. You can also appear for an entrance exams called as JSAT, which is for OP Jindal University. Then there is an entrance exams called as GIP for Gokhale University, which is in Pune, very well known for BSc in economics. So these are various entrance exams that a student can appear for after class 12.